ladies, welcome back to my channel Princess Mock. In today's video we're gonna be talking all about a bag from Guess. I'm gonna tell you guys everything about this bag, what this bag fits for, if there are any disadvantages of this bag. If you're new here, my channel is all about fashion, style, beauty, healthy lifestyle and travel. Elegant ladies should stop by and subscribe. Let's start. Let's unbox this Guess bag. This bag is called Sestri 4G Peony Logo Handbag, and it's available in 3 different colors: black, which I have here, but it's also available in brown and white. You can buy this bag at the store or even online. I think it's obvious that this bag is big enough to put a lot of stuff in it. So I really like also this bag. It's really a big bag and it's really cute. From my perspective, this bag is so good and it's suitable, especially while traveling, because you can put a lot of stuff in it. So it's really amazing. It's not plain black, but it's somehow black here, and you can see the logo here also in black. At the back of this bag you'll see a zipper where you can put some coins, for example. Let me show you guys what this bag fits for, but prior to that, look at this logo. And here is zoom in. Now let me show you guys what this bag fits for. I forgot to mention that this is the strap of the bag. It's black, just like the bag. Here you go. So this is the strap. You can just carry it as a crossbody bag, but I don't think that this is a good way to carry this bag because it's somehow big. So you can just carry it from the handle like this. Now let me show you guys the bag from inside. So this is the bag from inside. I forgot to mention that it comes with a bag, so you can keep this bag in to protect it from external factors, to protect it from being dirty. This is the bag from inside. As you can see, I think it has a lot of space here, and also there is a zipper here if you want to put anything. So here you go. Can you see? A lot of stuff. Also, it has a zipper here. It has 2 pockets here. Okay, so it's an incredible bag. Now let me show you guys what this bag fits for. So my sunglasses, a perfume, a small bottle of perfume, my phone, a mirror, a pocket. Okay, here you go. Another bottle of perfume, small bottle of water here, yes. Wow. So I put a lot of stuff in this bag, and there's still some space. It has enough space for also a couple of things, not only this. Can you see, guys? Literally it has a lot of space. So I prefer to carry this bag from the handle rather than the strap because it's somehow big and it's kind of arduous just to carry this bag, as a crossbody bag. I mean, you see. So I choose this color rather than white and brown for a couple of reasons. When it comes to white, I think that white becomes dirty very easily, and that's why I choose black. If you decided to buy white, so you'll see that the base of this bag will be white, not black. So when you put your bag like this on anything, maybe this color, if it's white, will become dirty, and that's why I choose black. And why not brown? Well, brown you can match brown with many different colors, but maybe brown also you should style brown with specific colors if you want to look more stylish and chic. And that's why I choose black, because black can go really easily with many outfits. So it's really an amazing color. Now look at the accessories here. Here is some accessories, as you can see, the logo. Now, are there any disadvantages of this bag? I'm gonna tell you guys, I loved everything about this bag, only, well, the strap is good, but maybe it's not sturdy enough. It's not sturdy enough, you see? So it's good, but it's not that sturdy. But anyway, I'm not gonna use the strap regularly because I prefer, as I said, to carry this bag from the handle, not as a crossbody bag or from the strap. Well, another downside I thought about, that this color, this is not black, so this might become dirty. Well, I'm not quite sure about this, but I'll try to to pay attention to this bag and pay attention when I put this bag. Also, you guys, if you bought this bag, just pay attention where do you put your bag to avoid any problem, because they told me if this material becomes dirty, so there will be a detergent or something which is very special which you can use to clean this bag. Actually, I didn't buy this product or this detergent, and I decided just to pay attention to my bag, where I put it, and just to use it cautiously. When it comes to the weight of this bag, it's not really that heavy. Maybe it's somehow heavy. It's quite heavy, but it's not that heavy, right? It's not annoying to to carry this bag. Anyway, I really love this bag. You can, again, if you want to buy it, you can buy it at the store or online. Let me know in the comments below which color do you prefer, white, black, or brown, and why. I'm eager to know. Last but not least, I did many videos in the past about many different bags from Guess. If you want to know more about them, I'll leave the links in the description down below, so make sure you check them out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're interested in watching more videos about beauty, fashion, healthy lifestyle, and travel, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, Princess Mok, and follow me on Instagram, where I post daily outfits. I'll leave the link of my Instagram in the description down below, so make sure you check it out. And thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.